Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Xcode 14 or newer, your Apple developer account, and a linked App Store Connect team. Once confirmed, open Xcode and sign into your Apple ID, then enable Xcode Cloud for the app in App Store Connect. Make sure the project has a clean Git main branch and a buildable scheme. Next, in Xcode, choose Product Xcode Cloud to begin the setup wizard. Follow prompts to select the repository and initial workflow. This kicks off the pipeline. Once the wizard opens, configure a workflow that matches your cadence. You choose triggers, push, pull, request, or schedule, and narrow them to specific branches or tags so only intended commits run. Then pick a Mac OS builder, target SDKs, and simulator destinations for tests. Enable caching to speed repeated runs. After that, add steps: build, run unit, and UI tests, archive, and export. Make sure to set secure environment variables, code signing, and export options. This ensures reproducible artifacts and smooth distribution. You finish by running a manual build to validate the workflow, then inspect logs, artifacts, and test reports in Xcode Cloud's web UI. Once green, enable automatic distribution to test Flight or App Store and set release notes and groups. Make sure to monitor subsequent runs and adjust parallelism or cache settings for speed. If something goes wrong, check the detailed logs and rerun with verbose output. Often failures stem from code signing, missing environment variables, or test flakiness. Fix those, then.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.